Hey everybody, how you doing? Well, as you can see, I'm not on the boat. I'm up here in Pennsylvania. So I just wanted to give you our April update, and here's what's going on. Well, the boat has been at Fishing Bay Marina in Deltaville, Virginia. It's a nice marina, and best of all, they installed on-spot Wi-Fi, which in my opinion is one of the best Wi-Fi systems that I've experienced in different marinas. So we have gotten our new mainsail and our new foresail. You know, this mainsail looks really high-tech. I mean, my old mainsail, I'd had like one batten. Look at all the battens that come with this mainsail. Well, my next goal is a friend of mine in Annapolis has offered to host Yab Yum for hurricane season at his private dock. While there, he's going to coach me a bit and perhaps supervise the design and installation of the necessary hardware to fix my baby stay. So I'm eager to do this work, and I'm especially grateful for some guidance on the project. And while berthed at his dock, I also have planned some basic but really important projects I plan on also doing. So two heads are better than one, and I'm looking forward to his input as I carry out some of these important improvements. Then, as soon as hurricane season is over, I'll be departing his dock, hopefully with a better equipped sailboat. I plan on heading south, and as late September tends to be good weather on the Chesapeake Bay, I'll probably leave before hurricane season is technically over, as I want to be completely off the Chesapeake by November 1st. May is a good weather month on the Chesapeake. It tends to be sandwiched between the northerlies and high winds of the winter, but before the thunderstorm days of the summer. One of the things about the Chesapeake Bay is that when traveling its entire length, there are not many places to dock in should the weather turn bad, so weather is especially important. Although I once sailed from Solomon's to Cape Charles in one day and came into the lower bay in the dark, I was with an experienced Chesapeake Bay sailor. If you are living anywhere near Deltaville, Virginia, give me a ring, give me a call. Here's my email. And if you can help me crew, that'd be great. We got a couple days voyage to head north to Annapolis. If you're in the Chesapeake area, Maryland or Virginia, please give me a call. I sure could use some crew.